Hey everybody, I'm Joe with Alliance RV, and behind me is the Delta 321BH. Let's take a tour. All right, let's talk some specs. The Delta 321BH is coming in at 36 feet 11 inches in length, has a dry weight just over 8,200 pounds, and you're gonna have a hitch weight of 872 pounds. Every Delta is gonna be built with aluminum cage construction. And around that construction, you're gonna have double-sided Azdel walls, which is gonna give you resistance to rot, mold, and mildew. It's also 50% lighter than wood and double the insulation factor. Additionally, on the Delta series, you're gonna have composite floors protecting your floors from any water. On the camp side of the trailer, you're gonna find one of the largest pass-throughs on the market. This thing has 62 cubic feet of storage down here. And one of the coolest features you're gonna find is a built-in 6-foot folding table that comes standard with every Delta. Additionally, in this pass-through space, what you're gonna find is 3-way switches for your awnings, so you can safely control your awnings and you can see how close you are to that tree or that pole or even the next camper next to you. Additionally, you're gonna have a spray port. You're gonna have 3 of them throughout this coach that has hot and cold spray abilities that is adjusted from the off-camp side. And you're gonna have cable hookups as well as USB power with both A and C charge types. On the off-camp side of your Delta pass-through, there's still a lot going on. Here's your spray port, so you can control that hot and cold water for all the spray ports around the unit. You're also gonna have a slide out control, so you can safely control that slide out from wherever you're at. Additionally, you're gonna have your water pump in here and your 40 amp MPPT charge controller connected to your 200-watt solar panel. Continuing on the off-camp side, you're gonna find your on-demand hot water heater as well as your 30,000 BTU furnace. Now below me, you're gonna find one termination point for all of your tanks. That way you don't have to connect multiple times. You just connect it once and you pull the levers and you're ready to go to the next campsite. Moving to the rear of the Delta 321BH, there's a lot going on back here. Starting with the 18-inch steel ladder that has multiple purposes behind it. Not only for easy access on the roof for a big guy like me, it also doubles as a towel rack. So you can hang your towels or your swimsuits or whatever gets wet while you're camping to safely dry. Above up here, you're gonna find a 12-volt ready backup camera system so you can plug in any backup camera that you guys choose. And down below, you're gonna have a 300-pound rated hitch, great for a bike rack. Moving back to the campsite of the trailer, you're gonna find a 25-inch griddle combination, as well as a mini fridge, so you can store those beverages for those nice hot days. Additionally, on your campsite trailer, you have prep space here, as well as USB, both A and C charge type, and 110 power in there. The Delta 321BH is the perfect family coach. You're gonna have tons of awning space, maximizing the time you can spend outside, and over 62 cubic feet of storage in your front pass-through storage area. All right, everybody, let's go check out the inside. Right when you take a step inside the Delta 321BH, you're gonna notice the great U-shaped kitchen with a ton of counter space. You have a great microwave, 3-burner cooktop stove, a deep stainless steel sink, and then below you're gonna have tons of storage, including the Drawer Max with a built-in silverware divider with a drawer guide allowing you to access underneath as well. Above, you're gonna have additional cabinetry that is on a soft close hinge with a magnetic catch, so that way when you're traveling down the road, it's not gonna shake loose. On the other side of your U-shaped kitchen here, you do have this large pantry with pull-out drawers, so that way you can store more because this unit is built for families. Directly across from your U-shaped kitchen, you're gonna have a 10 cubic foot Furrion refrigerator as well, maximizing space for all your family needs. Inside your slide room, you're gonna have a 3-person sofa that does have recliners. You also have cup holders built in. And this couch is optimally positioned right across from your 40-inch smart TV. Another thing you're gonna find in the Delta series is we have atrium-style windows, which are gonna be larger than many other manufacturers out there. They also fully open to let in more airflow and natural light while you're camping. Directly across from your sofa, you're gonna have a 4-person booth dinette. Now this does convert into a sleeping system, so you have additional sleeping space. And as I mentioned before, you do have that 40-inch smart TV right here with additional storage directly next to it. Now we're in the bunk room of the Delta 321 BH, and that's why we call it BH, Bunkhouse. Right here, I'm sitting on the sofa, and it is optimally positioned so you could easily view your TV for late night movie watching, or when it's bedtime, this easily converts into a queen size bed. You're gonna be able to sleep up to 5 people back here comfortably. All right, I told you guys this thing is really easy to convert into a bed, so let me show you. All you do is you move these cushions. You can put them anywhere in the camper that's out of the way. Grab this handle right here, and bam. Here's your queen size mattress. You can comfortably sleep 2 adults. And above, you have an additional bunk that's on a strut, so you can sleep someone here as well. Continuing in the bunk room, you have bunks 4 and 5. Additionally, you're gonna have USB ports, both A and C charge types, with tons of storage above and below the bed. The Delta 321 BH is the only floor plan in the Delta lineup right now that can offer 3 air conditioners. Right now you have a fan up here, standard. If you wanted to, you could option in a 3rd AC, maximizing cool and comfort for everybody that's camping with you. Another great feature about the Delta 321 BH is you're gonna find a built-in Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to connect your TV or your phone so you can enjoy those tunes. Moving on, you're gonna find this great large slide out over here, so you only have 2 slide outs in this floor plan. And what this allows us to do is we built a wall here to divide the rooms, and we gave you a door on this side so that you guys can isolate yourselves from your noisy kids at night. In the bathroom of the Delta 321 BH, you have a lot going on. You have a 30 by 36 inch shower with a self-wicking door. You have a porcelain toilet with a soft close lid and a large stainless steel sink that you can actually fit your hands under to wash them, as well as maximizing storage with a medicine cabinet and floor to ceiling linen closet. Moving into the bedroom, you're gonna find a queen size bed that has hidden storage underneath. And one of the cool features here is A, it's strut assisted, and B, you have a movable shelf in there, maximizing how much you can store. Directly next to your bed, you're gonna find epoxy poured nightstands with hidden storage underneath. There's also 110 power and USB power, both A and C charge types. And above, you're gonna have more storage. And in your linen closet, you're gonna have the ability to hang or fold your clothes because there's a removable shelf in there. Let's talk about some Alliance creature comforts that you're gonna find across the board on the Delta series. You're gonna have residential flush can lights, flush floor slide outs, no in-floor heat vents. You're also gonna have water shutoff valves at every major plumbing location, as well as smart color-coded wiring. Thank you guys so much for joining us on the tour of the Delta 321 BH. For more information, please visit generalrv.com.